Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Pre2 Pro. In this video tutorial we are going to learn about the file structure of Django. In the earlier tutorial we have installed or create our Python Django project and also app for our Django project. Our Django project, which includes settings in urls.py, we are going to learn deeply in this tutorial. Now settings.py file. In settings.py file, templates is a section where we can declare the directory name from which our templates files are stored in. Suppose our directory name is templates and all the template or HTML file will be stored in the directory with name templates. This databases section includes our configuration of database. In this project we are going to use its default database, that is SQLite 3 database, and this db.sqlite3 is the file which we created by running the command python manage.py migrate in the earlier tutorial. This file is included here in the settings of databases. This static is used for our CSS styling. We add this, we configure our style sheets and JavaScript files with the folder name static, which will be reside in the root directory where our app folder exists. Now in the urls.py file we are going to include URL for our app URLs. So we use include my app.urls file here, and we'll import include in the headers from django.urls. We save this file. Now in the root directory, first we will going to create templates folder and static folder. The templates we are going to create home.html file. In my app we have some files, mainly views.py and models.py. We will copy urls.py from project folder and paste it in my app directory. Now we configure routing for our app. We don't need admin here, so we remove this. Now from our views.py file, which is also contains functions, or it is a controller file, which is where we're going to build the logics. So from my app.vi, from my app.views import port all. This star symbol implies that we are importing from my app, inside my app views file, everything. This views.py file contains functions and what we render from a function. Suppose I'm creating home function here. Now by default our function accepts an argument request every time. We are going to return render request home.html. This home.html file resides in our templates directory. Now this function home, we are going to access here home. In our home.html, our home.html file, we are just writing home page string this time. Now to run our Python server, we will going to use this command python manage.py run server. The default port of our server is 8000. We will going to copy this command and run this on the browser. See home page. We are able to render this home function in a urls.py file where we import every function present in views.py file, which is in the my app directory. This is home URL, and this my app's urls.py file is included in our project's URLs file. See here. If you have any query, then please write your queries in the comment section, so we are able to understand views.py, settings.py. Models.py is a file for creating our ORM models for databases. We will going to learn about this in our later tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to continue, please subscribe my channel.